Hello students, as in the previous video we already knew about types of respiration, that is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, and the basic difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Today we will study about the process of nutrition in different organisms. In simple animals and in plants, the process of respiration is performed by different methods. In simple unicellular organisms like amoeba, the process of respiration, that is, the exchange of respiratory gases, is taken place by simple diffusion from their cell membrane. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the process by which the movement of substances like gases, liquid, etc. is taken place from its higher concentration to its lower concentration. Thus, through the membrane of the unicellular organism like amoeba, the process of exchange of gases is taken place through diffusion. If the concentration of oxygen is higher outside the cell of the amoeba in comparison of the concentration of oxygen inside the cell of the amoeba, then the process of diffusion is taken place and the movement of oxygen is taken place from outside the cell of the amoeba to the inside the cell of the amoeba through its cell membrane. Thus, by the process of diffusion, respiratory gases are exchanged in unicellular organisms like amoeba through their cell membrane. In higher form of animal like earthworms, the process of respiration or the process of exchange of gases is taken place through their skin. Their skin absorbs oxygen present in the air and removes carbon dioxide into the air. Thus, in animals like earthworm, the process of exchange of gases like oxygen is taken place through their skin and carbon dioxide is removed from their skin into the air. In aquatic animals like fishes and other organisms, the process of exchange of respiratory gases is taken place with the help of an organ known as gills. With the help of gills, aquatic animals take in oxygen which is present in dissolved form in water and removes carbon dioxide into the water. Thus, in aquatic animals, the process of exchange of gases is taken place through their gills and they take dissolved oxygen present in the water and removes carbon dioxide into the water. In insects like grasshopper, cockroach, etc., the process of exchange of respiratory gases is taken place with the help of tiny holes called spiracles and tube-like structure present in their body called trachea. With the help of these hole-like structure, spiracles, and tube-like structure, trachea. The process of exchange of respiratory gases is taken place inside the body of uh, insects. Thus, the process of respiration is taken place by these organs present in the body of the insects. In higher form of animals like human beings, different types of four-footed animals, lizards, and frog, there is presence of lungs, and with the help of these lungs, the process of exchange of gases is taken place uh, into their body and air. So, with the help of lungs, respiratory gases are exchanged between air and the body of these higher form of animals. In frog, the process of exchange of respiratory gases is taken place with the help of skin also. On the other hand, in plants, the process of exchange of respiratory gases is taken place through their parts like roots, stem, and leaves. From their roots, the process of exchange of respiratory gases is taken place by diffusion method, by which oxygen is absorbed by the cells present in the roots of the plant and carbon dioxide is removed from the cells present in the roots of the plant. In stem, in higher plants, their stem contains bark, and in the bark there is presence of smaller pores which is called lenticels, and with the help of these smaller pores called lenticels, the process of exchange of respiratory gases is taken place by diffusion method, and uh, in stem of the plants, the process of respiratory gases are exchanged with the help of smaller poles called lenticels. In leaves also there is presence of small pores called stomata, and with the help of these stomata the process of exchange of gases is taken place, uh, and respiratory gases are exchanged between air and leaves of the plant. Thus, in plants, the process of exchange of respiratory gases is taken place with the help of roots, stem, and leaves. In human beings, there is presence of different types of organs with the help of which the process of exchange of respiratory gases is taken place, and these different types of organs grouped together and form respiratory system, which is a which is an organ system, and with the help of this respiratory system the process of exchange of gases between air and the body of the human being is taken place. Thus, in the next video we will study about detailed structure of human respiratory system, different organs present in this respiratory system of human beings and how they function.